The mission of the Friends of the Point Vicente Lighthouse team is to restore and preserve the Point Vicente Lighthouse and its support structures, ensuring the safety and longevity of the site for operational continuity and public enjoyment for current and future generations. We are pleased to report that the Friends of the Point Vicente Lighthouse team has achieved two notable milestones. First, we formed a committee of community residents to create a fundraising effort to restore the historic lighthouse, its 3 support buildings, and the 3 lighthouse keepers' residences. Regretfully, these have all fallen into disrepair due to Coast Guard funding shortfalls. Our members' objectives is to restore the site, which has become a pillar in our community. Second, we met with local Coast Guard leaders and are glad to report that they share the same sense of priority, since the Point Vicente Lighthouse has been the guiding beacon to commercial shipping and recreational boating in the Los Angeles Long Beach area since 1926. A key point is that the lighthouse is still an active aid to navigation that flashes every night and is still used by ships and boats every night to help them transit safely to their destination, even in today's world that has electronic navigation systems such as GPS and radar. Regretfully, access to the interior of the lighthouse is currently prohibited due to lead paint and asbestos in the tower. That's where we come in.